And guys, as you can see, Delta Executor is imported and this is working perfectly. What's up people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called apploop.com. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here or let me just show you. So go to your profile official of Roblox and just copy your profile link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool, then paste it. Perfect. And automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Press continue and let's see. As you can see, it found and our Roblox user ID is successfully connected. The next step is select our on button and select our scripts that we want to add to our account, guys. So I will select these 4 scripts. Let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites around this. Apploop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys. And now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download Underdog Fantasy. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed the task successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. So if you have this message, you're on the right way. So let's wait together and let's see. Verification successful. Thanks for passing the double check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's test. Does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, let me play this Grove Garden. And let's see. Okay guys, I'm now in the game, as you can see, and I have this panel. So thank you for using Delta. This is amazing. So up here you have this button and all scripts are added successfully. So let me click execute. And let's wait a little bit. Okay. And guys, as you can see, Delta Executor is imported and this is working perfectly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.